I'm Vicki McLeod, and welcome to this very special sneak peek into our workshops, designed especially for you. So what I want to say to you, because you're all women, you don't need to worry about anything today. We've got you. Okay? Today's the day you just get to be in the experience. It's an experience where you get to dive very deeply into who you are, discover what you truly want, and let go of what you no longer need. Because I hold that it's really important for us to complete things. It's really important for us to not have unfinished business in our lives. Unfinished business holds us back. Allow yourself to experience the joy of sharing creatively with other women, of allowing yourself to get in and get your hands mucky as you express yourself using paper, paint, color, poetry. It's an amazing experience to share and to be this vulnerable with others. When we risk being truly ourselves, then all manner of things can occur for us. This is where the magic happens. I'd love it if you'd join us.